Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is TechnicallyTee, and today I have a unboxing video of a product that is kind of late, according to tech standards, but it's a product I have been wanting to try since release date. I've had a few, chances to get them, but holidays came up, and the holidays, how holidays always screwed everybody's funds. But I was finally able to pick up a Google Pixel 2 XL on Swapper, brand new, 64 gig for a very, very good price. So I had to scoop it up and get some coverage out, to the channel, guys, because this has been one, I've been wanting to try this product since it first dropped. So here it is on the channel. I've never had a Google Pixel device. My last pure Android device was Nexus 6P, and that was, of course, before I even started YouTube. But that was my last pure Android device, so I'm really looking forward to running this Google Pixel 2 XL as my daily driver and see how it actually does. I'm going to put the iPhone 10 to rest a little bit to see how it does and see if it actually can take the place of my favorite Android phone right now, which is currently the Note 8. So, let's go ahead and not waste too much time, guys. Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay? Let's go ahead and get to the boxing, guys. I'm not going to edit anything out, so you guys are going to see that drop live, man. So, see if it has any more tape around here. Okay. Okay, there it is. All right, so here it is. Lift it up. Now, I know you guys have probably seen plenty unboxings of this, but I just wanted to get it out on the channel to see, for myself, taking it out the box. So here's the phone. We're going to set that to the side and see what else is actually in the box. Yay, welcome to Team Pixel. Definitely hyped about this phone, guys. So there's that. We have a Lightning to USB adapter. I'm not sure if I'll ever use that, but it is there. This is our USB Type-C. Now, I'm probably going to leave this in the packaging. I'll probably use an Anchor one that I have for right now, so I'm actually going to leave this in the packaging. But as you see here, guys, USB Type-C as the connector. And we also have a 3.5 to USB adapter because, as you guys know, the Pixel has done away with 3.5mm headset adapter. So you already know that's going around. So you have an adapter there. You have the 3.5 here. We'll put it all back in the box. And this is basically the power brick. Now, I probably will use the power brick. So here is the power brick for Google. I'm not see what the amps and everything is up there. I'm not sure if it'll focus, but it is, it's fast charging. So that's all we got to know. It is fast charging, so we should get some pretty decent charging speeds when it comes to the Pixel. So we're going to put this back in here, and I will grab that USB Type-C out. I think my USB Type-C cable, my extra one, is actually in the car, but we will get it. So let's go ahead and grab the Pixel up right here. Okay, slide that to the side. Got that there. So here is the actual Pixel, guys. Real hype about this device to get it out and really get some coverage on it for the channel. Okay. Throw that over there to the side. So here it is. Google Pixel 2 XL. This is the 64 gig version. I got the Just Black. I could have probably bought it in the Panda White, which I really kind of wanted the Panda White, guys. But like I said, I bought it on Swapper from someone else. It was brand new, unopened, so this is what they had. So I decided to go ahead and roll with it. So let's go ahead and give it some power real fast. So as you see, guys, there it is, Google. So I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of this video. Of this product. Like I said, I've been wanting this product for a good while, so I want to do a quick unboxing of it. Sorry, my phone going off in the background. I want to do a quick unboxing of the Google the Google Pixel 2 XL. We have tons of cases for this, guys. Actually, I already have the Spigen case lineup. Spigen has sent me the case lineup for the Google Pixel 2 XL right when it came out, assuming that I was going to get the device, which I was. Ended up not getting the device, so it's actually just been sitting there in a box. But all my case lovers that has the Google Pixel and the Google Pixel 2 XL, stay tuned to my Spigen case lineup video. I have a pretty good giveaway that I think you guys will like. So stay tuned to that video. Sorry for moving the camera right there. So stay tuned to that video, and it should be out, I would probably say, within the next day or two. I'm gonna probably go ahead and record it as soon as I get it finished recording this. So stay tuned to that video. See if we actually pay attention to that giveaway that I have in that video. But once again, quick unboxing of the Google Pixel 2 XL. You already know we're going to get into plenty case reviews. I cannot wait to use that camera. And I'm actually going to do a camera shootout. Hopefully, I can finally do a camera shootout with the Note 8. And I can finally do one with the iPhone 10. And we could probably throw the iPhone 8 Plus in there right now, because these are the phones that I'm actually rolling with right now. So, you know, please stay tuned to the channel, guys. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to the channel. We're going to have plenty of Google Pixel 2 XL content coming up. This will be my main device that I'm going to use. I'm going to take my main SIM out of my iPhone 10, pop it into my Google Pixel 2 XL, and I'm going to rock out with it for at least 2 to 3 weeks before I come back and give my full review, guys. So once again, if you're looking forward to some Pixel content, let me know. Follow the journey with this, and we'll go from there, guys. But as always, give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it. Comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Later.